the end of today, or right now, or whenever you're watching this, whether it be midnight or 4 in the morning, I have something cool. I think it's cool anyway. Oh, look at that, another oil can. I bought another oil can. This one's a Plews Oiler. Still got the Plews sticker on it. So, excuse me. Plews. Oh, it says it right here too. Plews. Does it work? I don't know. Let's find out here. I don't know. I tried another one at the store, and you have to. You kind of. I kind of got to remember to warn myself about using these things in the store because I have a tendency to try them out, and then they kind of shit oil everywhere. So, yeah, I might have gotten a little oil on some of the little antique stores in the past. I swear it's not my fault. I see if they work right. Well, who keeps oil in them and it leaves a squirty thing on? Like it's like a kid in a candy store. So far, I haven't had one that doesn't work. Is there oil in it? Yeah, it's pretty bone dry. There's the insides. Dry it off here. She looks as fresh as the day it was made. Yeah. Could use a little refresh. I'm gonna put this cap back on here. I'll show you. I like these things. Believe it or not, I actually use them. Why do I have like a dozen of them? Not because I don't have like some people at 500 in their house with different oilers. I leave these everywhere and try to put lubricant in them because they're handy as hell. What's it say? Patented, made in USA. There's a little patent mark on the side right here. There, you can see that. I'll turn the light on here. There's a little mark right there. I don't know if you can see that. Works good. It's okay. Somebody should make these tips though. I never figured out where to get new ones. Oh, this one comes off. Look at that. This one's coming off. You always find them, the tips are all mangled and wrecked, and somebody tried to make a new one and screwed it all up. And so anyway, I was going to get another one, but I think I'm going to save. If it's still there, people don't really buy a lot of these things sometimes. Somebody out there buys them all. So yeah, I'm going to probably pick up another one. So that's my little short video for today. A little Plews Oiler. Not sure how they're made. I'm not sure if I cleaned it up, would it be, like, is it chrome plated? There's some kind of plating coming off. And I don't know if it's welded or soldered or what. So, nobody ever cleans these damn things either. If you're an antique dealer watching this, like, clean up some of the antiques. I know people like patina, not like, nobody's asking you to give it a rebuild, but just rub this stuff off. Make it look nice. That's all you gotta do. I'm not gonna replate this. I'm not even gonna repaint it. I mean, I could grind it off, give it a nice little painting, but then where would I get another Plews? Where would I get another Plews sticker? I got online. Here's some reproductions. Number 57 says. It's a Heinz 57. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles. Click on the buttons. Enjoy. And look at this guy. He's got a beard.